Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we're reviewing Costco car insurance. Is it really a money saver or just another perk of being a member? Let's find out in under 2 minutes. Costco doesn't actually insure your car themselves. Instead, they partner with Connect by American Family Insurance. It's only available to Costco members, and executive members usually get the biggest discounts. Coverage includes all the basics: liability, collision, comprehensive, roadside assistance, and more. Pros. Here's what's good about Costco car insurance. Competitive rates. Many members report paying 10 to 20% less than their old insurers. Extra perks, like accident forgiveness, glass repair, and lifetime renewability in most states. Bundling discounts if you combine auto with home insurance. Strong backing from American Family Insurance, a reliable provider. Cons. But it's not perfect. You must be a Costco member, so non-members pay extra just to access it. Availability varies by state, so not everyone gets the same perks. Mixed customer service reviews. Some drivers report slow claims processing, and it's not always the cheapest. In some areas, GEICO, Progressive, or State Farm still beat it. So, is it worth it? If you're already a Costco member with a clean record, and maybe want to bundle home and auto, Costco car insurance can offer solid savings and benefits. But don't assume. It's always best to compare quotes with at least 2 other companies before making the switch. That's my quick Costco car insurance review. If this helped you out, hit like, subscribe, and let me know in the comments. Did Costco's car insurance actually save you money? Thanks for watching.